Good evening, everybody. I, Ravi Kiran, on behalf of Maitreya Shri Aurobindo Society and Shri Aurobindo Foundation for Integral Management, welcome you all to the launch of the book Beyond the Uncharted Landscape, written by my dad, Achal Rangaswamy, and Mr. M.S. Srinivasan. He's from the Shri Aurobindo Society. I indeed feel very fortunate to publish my dad's book. I'd first like to introduce the guests of this evening, Mr. Parag Desai and Mr. R.S. Sodhi. Mr. Parag Desai and I became friends at a gym in Ahmedabad. When he asked me once in the gym, what do you do? I told him I'm a student. And when I asked him, what do you do? He said, मैं चाय बेचता हूँ. Parag Bhai belongs to an illustrious family of Gujarat. He has an MBA in marketing from the Long Island University, New York. He has taken many initiatives in taking the Wagh Bakri brand globally and is today a true youth icon for global excellence. Parag Bhai, all this I came to know through my dad. I know Parag Bhai is a very, very friendly gym enthusiast, lively, humble and a down-to-earth person. And you will know more about him when you follow his posts on Facebook. I never knew this Chaiwala, my gym friend, was the executive director of Wagh Bakri Tea. He's so humble. And now, Mr. R.S. Sodhi, he's one of the oldest friends of my dad. Uncle, I remember seeing you from my cradle. But I kept hearing stories about you from my dad. Apart from enjoying and appreciating Amul's holdings, not only me but all of us present here have actually grown up drinking Amul milk और मक्खन के बगैर तो इंडिया में गुजारा ही नहीं होता है. Mr. R.S. Sodhi is an agricultural engineer from the University of Udaipur and a postgraduate from the prestigious Institute of Rural Management, IRMA. And if I am not mistaken, Uncle, you're from the first batch of IRMA.
Yeah.
He joined Amul after completing his studies from IRMA and has been in the company for 30 long years, going from senior sales executive to the position of managing director at Amul. Mr. Achal Rangaswamy, my dad, is a marketing professional and has been a passionate biker. Having travelled over 2 lakh kilometers on his Enfield Bullet, he has seen half of the country riding the same Bullet. He started his career after completing post-graduation from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University in the year 1979. His other interests include reading, writing, cricket, music, talking and talking. He is also visiting faculty at various prestigious management institutes and universities. In the course of his career, he developed many brands like Xerox, Amtrex, Hitachi and Bell. A friend at home and a fighter for the world outside, I wish my dad a lot of success in the coming years, especially in his career of writing, so that we can have many more literary endeavors. And now a little bit about the publisher and the co-publisher. Maitreya is a 1.5-year-old publishing organization. It was initiated by my mom, Sapna Rangaswamy and me, with lots of support and well wishes from Shri Aurobindo Society, Pondicherry. During this 1.5 year, Maitreya has published and co-published many books which include fiction and non-fiction, books on design, spirituality and Indian art and culture. We have published the first book that we published was Ideating Identity, and we had co-published that with National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. And in Jan 2012, we published a wonderful book called The Wonder That Is Sanskrit in association with Shri Aurobindo Society. Beyond the Uncharted Landscape is our second co-publication with Shri Aurobindo Society. Maitreya invites fresh, young and unheard voices to write their story. At Maitreya, we go through the manuscript carefully, get it reviewed by the experts, and we nurture the manuscript lovingly and put it finally in the form of a book. and we distribute the book throughout India. So anyone who has a story here, anyone of you, do get in touch with us. Also do look out for our upcoming titles, and one of them is Amused, an experimental short story collection by young writers, in which quite a few young writers from different walks of life have contributed with their short stories. Then there is another book called My Rejected Project, which has been written by me and my mom. Then there is Puranas, which will be published once again with Sri Aurobindo Society. I would like to mention a guest who is here with us in the audience, Malini Bain. She happens to be my mom's primary school's principal. And I'd like to